Hey guys, welcome to the video today. Today it's the rammer again. I'll just put in a little bit of here video so that you can see what we're doing. Well, there it is, that's the one. And then right here, so I got 120.56 for it, and then 3-year warranty, extreme warranty. 33170794. Page number 2. There you go. That was the total, including tax. This is the culprit today. She's wobbling a fair bit. Slow going around the corner. She wobbles. But we just gotta see what we got for bolts here. Probably a 15 the whole way around, I'm not sure. Okay, so first one, where are we at here? Right there, 18 mil. And then we need a 15. And then I also have an 18 wrench over here. So, that's what I thought. Have to get a wobbly. Hang on. That nut's hot. That nut is hot. Okay, let's get this other one off. We need the wobbly for that. We can compress it right here. Oh yeah, there's nothing left in this thing. Yeah, there's no rebound in it whatsoever anymore. I don't know, this looks like it might be a stock steering stabilizer. Oh yeah, it is. It is a stock one. Haha, there's your Chrysler symbol right there. Right there. So this truck is a 2011. That possibly is the original. So what I'm going to do here, this new Bilstein one is fully extended, and I'm going to extend this one to see if they're the same length. Because if they're the same length, then I don't have to move this. So let's just see what's what here. And they look like they're almost the same length. You know what? They're the same length. So I will be able to put this like so. I'll just loosely put that in. Oh, for there. That's probably, because that's an 18 too. Let me check. See if this one fits any better. Yeah, about the same. About the same. So anyway, let's get our bolt here. Here. Okay, let's get this thing squashed in here. There we go. Got her bolt on and everything. I read online that this boot never came with it, but hey, bonus. Bonus. So what we'll do is we'll check to make sure we've got the right amount of length, things of that sort. 12 Ugga-Duggas. Get this one going here. Well, there you go. She's all taken care of.